Hey guys, I just figured I'd come out in the yard and do a kind of a video diary of what we've done to the house so far. I know this isn't going to interest everybody. It's like my ironing video. It's more for us and the kids. Anyway, but feel free to watch. We had to put a perimeter drain in. So the yard's a bit of a mess right now. I can't even mow because we got dirt being spread out and all sorts of good stuff. Let's see. I'll show you the drain. See, it goes the whole length of the yard. Got it fenced off for the doggies. And in the front, looks like Beirut. Wait till you see it. Ugh. We have Alicia and Quinn's graduation coming up too, so hopefully, or the party, they've already graduated, but the party, Bob got a machine home. We're gonna build this area up back here with dirt. Make a road back there, bring it up a little bit, put more rocks down there by the wall. Next year, all these trees have to come out, but they want $2,000 to take them out. I guess that's a good price, but it sounds expensive to me. But I'm not a tree cutter, so we have to hire it done. So, and I'm gonna make this a whole another part of the driveway, and this little strip here by the house more driveway, just so we can pull out and stuff. But all of this is dug up. Hopefully we'll get that done this weekend. I don't know. Well, he's got the machine here. But that's about it. I'll show you after photos when it's done. Hopefully I don't know. Gonna have to work like hell to get it done in one weekend. But, and then some of got crap everywhere. Oy, oy, oy. I'm gonna make a flower bed back there. This is gonna be part of the dog pen. We gotta trim that tree up. But we're gonna put a pen in here separate from the fenced in yard, just so when we're having a cookout or something, if the dogs are bugging for food, we can stick them in the pad. Excuse me. It's very early. Alright, more to come. Love you guys.